In a world dominated by synthetic products, there's a growing movement towards natural alternatives, particularly in hair care. Many are seeking to replace harsh chemicals with the gentle touch of nature. This shift is driven by a desire for healthier, more vibrant hair without the potential damage from artificial ingredients. Embracing natural hair care is not just a trend, it's a return to time-tested traditions and a celebration of nature's bounty. This essay will guide you on a journey to create a DIY natural hair mask that will leave your hair radiant and revitalized. We will delve into the benefits of natural ingredients and provide a simple step-by-step guide to crafting your own hair mask using readily available ingredients from your kitchen. Get ready to unlock the secrets to healthy, shiny hair naturally. Why choose natural ingredients for your hair care routine? The answer lies in their gentle yet powerful effects. Unlike their synthetic counterparts, natural ingredients are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that nourish and strengthen hair from the inside out. They are free from harsh chemicals, sulfates, and parabens that can strip the hair of its natural oils and cause damage. Natural ingredients work in harmony with your hair's natural pH balance, promoting overall hair health and vitality. They are also environmentally friendly and sustainable, making them a responsible choice for both you and the planet. Each ingredient in our DIY hair mask plays a vital role in transforming your hair from dull to dazzling. These natural components are carefully selected to provide maximum benefits, ensuring your hair receives the nourishment it deserves. Let's delve deeper into the unique benefits of each key ingredient and understand how they contribute to the overall health and beauty of your hair. First, we have coconut oil. Known for its moisturizing properties, coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft, reducing protein loss and adding shine. It's not just a surface-level treatment, it works deep within the hair structure to provide lasting hydration and strength. Coconut oil is also rich in fatty acids, which help to nourish the scalp and prevent dryness. This makes it an excellent choice for those with dry or damaged hair, as it helps to restore moisture balance and improve overall hair health. Next, we have honey. A natural humectant, honey attracts and retains moisture, leaving hair soft and manageable. It also contains antioxidants that protect hair from environmental damage. Honey's antibacterial properties can help to keep the scalp healthy and free from infections. Moving on to yogurt, which is rich in lactic acid. Yogurt gently cleanses the scalp, removes dead skin cells, and promotes hair growth. Its creamy texture also conditions and detangles hair, making it easier to manage and style. The probiotics in yogurt can also help to maintain a healthy scalp microbiome. Eggs are another powerhouse ingredient. Packed with protein, eggs strengthen hair follicles, reduce breakage, and promote healthy hair growth. The yolk is rich in fatty acids that nourish and condition the scalp, providing essential nutrients that support hair health. Aloe vera is a soothing and healing ingredient. It calms the scalp, reduces inflammation, and promotes hair growth. Aloe vera also adds shine and softness to hair, making it look and feel healthier. Its natural enzymes can help to remove dead skin cells and unclog hair follicles. Finally, we have olive oil. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins A and E, olive oil moisturizes the scalp, fights dandruff, and promotes hair growth. It adds shine and strengthens hair strands, making them more resilient to damage. Olive oil's emollient properties help to smooth the hair cuticle, reducing frizz and enhancing manageability. While the base recipe provides a comprehensive hair treatment, you can customize your mask with additional ingredients to address specific hair concerns. Add 1 mashed avocado or 2 tablespoons of ripe banana for extra moisture. Incorporate 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar to balance scalp pH and reduce oiliness. Add 5 drops of tea tree oil for its antifungal and antibacterial properties. Mix in 1 tablespoon of castor oil or onion juice to stimulate hair follicles and promote growth. Section 5. Crafting your radiant hair mask. A step-by-step guide. This guide will walk you through each step to create a nourishing and natural hair mask that will leave your hair feeling soft, shiny, and revitalized. Now let's gather our ingredients and create the magic. For this hair mask, we will be using simple, natural ingredients that you might already have in your kitchen. You'll need 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, which is excellent for moisturizing and adding shine to your hair, and 1 tablespoon of honey, known for its humectant properties that help retain moisture. Next, gather 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Yogurt is rich in protein and lactic acid, which can help cleanse the scalp and promote hair growth. You will also need 1 egg, which is optional but highly recommended for its protein content that strengthens hair. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel is essential for its soothing and conditioning properties. Aloe vera helps to reduce dandruff and promotes a healthy scalp. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and vitamins that nourish and protect your hair from damage. Instructions. In a clean bowl, combine the coconut oil and honey. These 2 ingredients will form the base of your hair mask, providing deep hydration and shine. Microwave for a few seconds until the coconut oil melts. Stir well to combine. This step ensures that the coconut oil and honey are well blended, creating a smooth mixture. Add the yogurt, egg if you're using it, and aloe vera gel. These ingredients will add extra nourishment and conditioning to your hair. Finally, add the olive oil to the bowl. This will help to seal in moisture and add a protective layer to your hair. Whisk all the ingredients thoroughly until you achieve a smooth and consistent paste. This ensures that all the ingredients are well incorporated and ready to work their magic on your hair. Your DIY natural hair mask is now ready to apply. This mask is packed with nutrients that will help to restore and rejuvenate your hair. Application. Divide your hair into sections for easier application. This will ensure that the mask is evenly distributed throughout your hair. Apply the mask generously from roots to tips, making sure to cover every strand. This will help to ensure that your entire head of hair benefits from the nourishing ingredients. Ensuring all strands are coated is crucial for maximum effectiveness. Take your time to work the mask through your hair. Gently massage the mask into your scalp for better absorption. This will also help to stimulate blood flow to your hair follicles, promoting healthier hair growth. Cover your hair with a shower cap or warm towel and leave the mask on for 30 to 60 minutes. The heat will help the mask to penetrate deeper into your hair shafts. Rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. Make sure to remove all traces of the mask to avoid any residue, followed by your regular shampoo and conditioner routine. This will help to lock in the benefits of the mask and leave your hair feeling soft and manageable. Section 6. Unveiling your hair's natural radiance, expected results. After just 1 application, you'll notice a remarkable difference in your hair's texture and appearance. Your hair will feel softer, smoother, and more manageable. The natural oils and humectants in the mask will leave your hair intensely hydrated and shiny. With regular use, you can expect reduced hair fall, increased hair growth, and a healthier scalp. The nourishing ingredients will strengthen your hair shafts, preventing breakage and split ends. Section 7. Beyond the mask, cultivating healthy and shiny hair. Achieving luscious, shiny hair goes beyond just using a hair mask. It involves a holistic approach that includes a variety of healthy hair habits and lifestyle choices. While this hair mask offers a potent dose of nourishment, incorporating other healthy hair habits can significantly enhance your hair's health and vitality. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals is essential for strong, shiny hair. Foods like salmon, nuts, and leafy greens can provide the nutrients your hair needs. Here are a few additional tips. Avoid excessive heat styling. Heat can weaken the hair shaft, making it more prone to breakage and split ends. Instead, try air drying your hair whenever possible. Limit the use of hair dryers, curling irons, and straighteners, as excessive heat can damage hair and strip it of its natural oils. If you must use heat styling tools, always apply a heat protectant spray to minimize damage. Protect your hair from the sun. Just like your skin, your hair can suffer from prolonged sun exposure. UV rays can be damaging to hair, so wear a hat or use hair products with UV protection when spending time outdoors. Get regular trims. Regular trims are crucial for maintaining the health of your hair. Trimming your hair every 6 to 8 weeks helps get rid of split ends and promotes healthy hair growth. Use a wide-toothed comb. A wide-toothed comb is gentler on your hair, reducing the risk of breakage. Detangle your hair gently using a wide-toothed comb to prevent breakage, especially when hair is wet. Wet hair is more fragile and prone to damage, so handle it with care. By following these tips and maintaining a consistent hair care routine, you can achieve and maintain healthy, shiny hair. Section 8. Nourishing from within. Holistic hair care tips. True hair health starts from within. A balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and protein is crucial for promoting healthy hair growth. Incorporate these hair-loving foods. Eggs, fish, nuts, seeds, leafy green vegetables, and fruits are excellent sources of nutrients that support hair health. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your hair and scalp hydrated. Manage stress. Stress can contribute to hair loss, so find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. Section 9. Embrace the natural shine. Embrace the power of natural ingredients and unlock your hair's natural shine with this easy-to-make DIY hair mask. By nourishing your hair from the inside out and adopting healthy hair care practices, you can achieve the luscious, radiant locks you've always desired. Remember, healthy hair is a reflection of overall well-being, so embrace a holistic approach to hair care and let your natural shine radiate. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural and homemade beauty tips.